Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable autoplay round video messages in Telegram groups on your PC. If those automatic video bubbles keep distracting you while you're working or chatting, this simple setting will give you full control again. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the main navigation panel where all your options are located. From here, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves according to your preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced option and click on it. This section contains more detailed controls that aren't visible in the basic settings. Now, look for the section labeled In Groups. This is where Telegram manages how media behaves specifically in group chats. Click on In Groups and you'll see several options related to media playback. Find the setting for round video messages. These are the small circular videos that often play automatically when someone sends them in a group. To stop them from autoplaying, simply disable the round video messages option. Once you do that, make sure to click Save so your changes are applied properly. And that's it. From now on, round video messages and group chats won't play automatically, giving you a quieter and more controlled experience while using Telegram on your PC.